Happy New Year, good people! In this video, we are counting down 8 super simple home decor ideas that you won't find anywhere else. And with that, let's get started. In this episode, we're counting down 8 super simple home decor goals that you and your kids will absolutely love. And these are home decor ideas that you can implement quickly, cheaply, and they'll make a big impact. All right, so let's take a look. Get organized. Whether it's your bookcase, linen closet, or pantry, getting organized will do wonders to enhance your space. We've got videos to help you get it done, and you'll be so glad you did. Hey sis, are you enjoying this content? Then subscribe, y'all. We need less than 30 folks to reach our next YouTube milestone. And that's going to enable us to continue showing sisters doing marvelous things. So I want to thank you in advance for clicking that link in this video. Transform your current decor or repurpose it. As you see here, I'm transforming my Christmas decor into Valentine's Day decor, and it looks just lovely. The key is to shop with your decor makeovers in mind. So I was already thinking Valentine's Day when I was shopping for Christmas. Add color. It's amazing how easily you can transform a room just by switching out the paint color. Did you know that painting a room is a way to get a nasty odor out of that room? Yes, it is. For some suggestions, check out the Sharon Williams Color of the Year. The 2023 color is already out. Install some shelving. Typically, we add shelves for storage reasons, but additional shelves can add to your decor too. Here we see how Early built her own shelves to showcase pictures and books, as well as spruce up her space. It looks awesome. Make over your foyer or entryway. I like foyer makeovers because you can make a big impact by changing just a few things. For example, change out that light fixture, repaint it, and if necessary, change out that flooring. Here you'll see my foyer makeover, but stay tuned for a video featuring another one of my foyer makeovers in 2023. Install a ceiling fan. Of course, ceiling fans can help you manage your cooling and heating system, but they're great for aesthetic purposes too. Here, Denise shows us how her chandelier glamorized her living room by adding the perfect lighting and bling. Add some greenery. There are several reasons you should add greenery to your decor. First, greenery and flowers make a room look complete. Next, flowers can really boost your mood. And they are an easy way to decorate for a holiday or a special occasion. Daffodils say spring, roses scream love, and poinsettias mark Christmas. Decorate with family photos. Now this is something that I did right. We typically take our family photos during Easter and Christmas. It's a wonderful way to track your children's growth, capture memories, and add to your decor. Here, Carrie incorporates her family photos with her Christmas decor, and it's a hit. Now that you have these 8 home decor goals for 2023, make sure you track your progress and post your pics on the MommyRoomREDO Facebook page. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.